Mahinda kwa mahinda, micara ya aruti wira a thirikari ni thurimagwo na gukagĩa na nyongerera. Indi riu undu uyu ndukuhanika ica ikuhi kumana na wagi wa kĩgĩna na moritu maria mari kuo bururi-ini. Kamiti ya kwandika wira aruti wira a thirikari PSC ni yerekereirie ndumiriri ino. Munini wa muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Mary Kimonye akiuga kaingi micara yongagĩrĩrwo kuringana na kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩarogotwo. Akiuga muturire urituhite mabururi-ini mothe.
So long as the economy is not growing at the rate that we want it to grow, even the agitation for higher salaries just becomes an agitation. Because a point reaches and you can't pay. If you can't pay, you cannot pay. So my encouragement to the entire nation is that we think more about to make the cake bigger and to generate revenue for our country, and then the issue of adding salaries for everybody will not be an issue. Yes. As for now, we need to tighten our belt a bit.
Kimonye uri uraragia ri mwena wa Naivasha hindi ya kigomano kia atumia aria mararuta mawira ma HR kiria kiraharĩrĩirio ni Institute of Human Resource Management no agwetete ati namba ya atumia aria mari mawira-ini ma thirikari ni nini makiria kuona ni gicunji kia 38 gukiringithanio na ya arume iria ni gicunji kia 62.
We have affirmative action initiative as the commission to ensure that we are increasing the number of women in the public service, and also it's a constitutional imperative. Yeah, the constitution demands it. One of the things we realize is that the issues of mental health in public service are increasing.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa thukuru uyu wa Institute of Human Resource Management Karesha Abdullahi augite ona thengia wa atumia aingĩ gukorwo mathomete aingĩ ao mahĩtwo mawĩra ma gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũbatie gũcenjio kuona aingĩ ao nĩ makinyĩtie ikĩro iria ibataranagia.
It's about how can we take advantage of the policies that are there, the legal instruments that are there to not only to make our workplaces better but also transform it.
IHRM is now represented in numerous institutions, including independent commissions and selection panels, where we promote best HR practices.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.